200 megapixel camera, 10x optical zoom, up to 1 terabyte storage, and this even has a detachable lens kit. Yes, you heard me right. I just got hands-on with the new Oppo Find X9 Ultra, and this is another level. Come, let's find out. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, and also please share this video and like this video. This helps our channel grow and also make quality content. Let's dive into the video now. Guys, well, I'm here in the store checking out the brand new Oppo Find X9 Ultra, and let's quickly go through the design, color, specs, camera, pricing, and whether is it worth buying. Let's find out. Well, first let's talk about the design that really stands out. This phone comes in two colors, which is Canyon Orange and Thunder Black. The orange one especially looks like a real camera and a huge circular Hasselblad style camera module on the back. Also comes in the premium materials. This is a slightly heavier phone but feels a very flagship feel. Now talking about the display, on the front you get about 6.82 inch of AMOLED display with a Quad HD plus resolution 120Hz up to max 144Hz refresh rate. The phone is bright and feels very smooth. This is a proper flagship display. Talking about the performance inside, this is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. You get 8-core CPU and Adreno 840 GPU. So the performance is top tier. Gaming, multitasking, everything feels super smooth and snappy. And combined with up to 12 or 16 GB of RAM, this is seriously overpowered. Well, talking about the storage option, we also get in two variants, which is 512 GB and goes all the way up to 1 terabyte. So yeah, perfect for storing all those high resolution photos and 8K videos. The main highlight is the camera. This is where the phone really shines. It comes with the 200 megapixel main camera, 200 megapixel telephoto camera lens, a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, up to 10x optical zoom periscope with Hasselblad color tuning. The zoom is insane. The portrait looks very natural. Colors are realistic and not overprocessed. This is clearly a camera first phone. Now this is something really interesting. There is also a lens kit accessory available. External attachable lens enhance the photography. This basically turns your phone into a mini DSLR. Not for everyone, but the photography lovers, this is huge. About the video features, it comes with the 4K 120 FPS and also it supports 8K videos and Dolby Vision. So even for video creators, this is a powerful camera phone. And another major feature is the battery life. Yes, it comes with a massive 7050 milliamps battery with a full day plus usage and fast charging up to 100 watts and wireless charging up to 50 watts. The battery life should be excellent. Well, talking about the pricing, in Singapore, the 512 GB variant costs you around 2,200 Singapore dollars, whereas 1 terabyte costs you around 2,600. So yes, this ultra flagship pricing. Well, the availability right now, this is on the pre-order and the retail rollout very soon. So my first impression, unique DSLR style design, beautiful color option, crazy zoom camera, huge storage, optional lens kit. If you care about photography, this easily is one of the most interesting phones right now in the market. If you want a full camera test and comparison videos, please make sure to subscribe. I will be testing this more. So what do you guys think about the new Oppo Find X9 Ultra? Will you buy one? If so, let me know. Which color are you buying it? And what is the feature that you really liked in this phone in the comment section below? If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. And also take care and see you in my next video. Bye guys.